colleagues are collecting right now for me. Well, my dear friends, again I would like to wish you all a very good afternoon again. This is a fabulous Thursday, and this is called as the Eye Glow Day. So let us all make this as the Eye Glow Day, and this is the first of its kind wonderful product in India called as Eye Glow, my dear friends. Well, this is the 7th broadcast that we are doing on Eye Glow, as everybody knows this during the Facebook Live series, my dear friends. So just to give you a preamble of what Eye Glow is all about, Eye Glow, as you know, is for the first of its kind nutri-cosmetic product in India. So Eye Glow is actually given to you in assorted packaging, which will be having these pouches of Eye Glow, which we call this as a profile pouches. We call this as a profile pouches. So initially, if you see the box, there will be 4 flavors and 28 pouches in them. So each flavor is different. So it has mango, orange, strawberry, and blackcurrant. Well, people have a lot of questions on this, that I am liking one flavor, the other flavor is not so much. As I would like to tell you this one important point, my dear friends, that the flavors do not really matter. The content of the ingredients or the contents of the product usually matter actually. But the thing is, the flavors are only for your own subjective perception, but the ingredients and the activity of the products absolutely remains the same, my dear friends. I hope everybody understood this point actually. So this is exactly called as the assorted packaging. Well, going on, my dear friends, as you all know that nutri-cosmetics is a segment which is composed of something called as internal cosmetics. You need to consume these cosmetics in order to show their benefits outside on the skin. This is exactly called as nutri-cosmetic segment. Well, in the nutri-cosmetic segment, there are 2 important things that everybody needs to know. One is the addition of nutrition. The second is the addition of herbal extracts. Put together, it is called as nutri-cosmetic, my dear friends. I hope you understand what nutri-cosmetic is all about. Well, Eye Glow is a first of its kind product in India, which is based on the nutri-cosmetic segment again. Well, I would like to tell you something about the updates that I normally give on a daily basis whenever I do this Facebook Live. See, this present coronavirus situation, if you see, this is actually a worst kind of a situation which has hit the industries and the markets a lot. Well, if you see the cosmetic industry across the world, it has been badly hit by this particular pandemic. But at the same point in time, the nutri-cosmetic is one such wonderful segment that has actually been seen in this world today, that is actually improving day by day. This is very important. It is improving day by day. The markets for nutri-cosmetic is actually on the race, so that most people are across the world, more and more people are resorting to this particular consumption of nutri-cosmetics, so that their gut is detoxified, their body is detoxified, at the same point of time their skin health is also improved, my dear friends, without the application of topical cosmetics. This is very important, without the application of topical cosmetics. So the cosmetic industry is absolutely going down. At the same point in time, the oral cosmetic industry is gaining its importance during these days, so that everybody is benefited by the use of such products and the support of the skin health such products are giving out. I hope you got my point clear. Well, one important thing that I wanted to tell you all today is about the regulatory aspects. The regulatory aspect of our product Eye Glow. See, someone so probably calls this product as a cosmetic product. It is not a cosmetic product altogether. You should call this as an oral cosmetic product. So this is what exactly it is. I would like to repeat this statement again. You should call this as an oral cosmetic product. It is not the normal cosmetic product, it is an oral cosmetic product. So how it is classified as per our Government of India guidelines? So normally in the Government of India, in the Department of Ayush, when you see there is something called as the Drugs and Cosmetic Act. So in the Drugs and Cosmetic Act, there is a particular segment called as the Balya or Poshak. That is actually told in Hindi, it is called as Balya or Poshak. Under that Balya or Poshak, it is otherwise called as positive health promoter products. Under this positive health promoter products, we get this wonderful product called as Eye Glow under a subheading called as Saundarya Prasadak. See, this is called as Saundarya Prasadak in Hindi, means it is a positive beauty promoter in English. So this is what the translation is all about. For the benefit of everyone, I would like to repeat this again. In the Department of Ayush, the Drugs and the Cosmetic Act is the act which is governing the license of all the Ayush products across India. So under this particular Drugs and Cosmetic Act, when you see this act, there is a particular sub-segment called as Balya and Poshak, which means positive health promoter products. Under this Balya and Poshak, you have a second segment called as Saundarya Prasadak products. Saundarya Prasadak means it is cosmetic or beauty enhancing, positive beauty enhancing products. Under this particular segment, our product Eye Glow is actually categorized. I hope you got my point clear. If someone asks, you should not tell that Eye Glow is some kind of a fairness cream or something. No. Eye Glow is actually an oral nutri-cosmetic product, oral cosmetic supplement. This is what exactly Eye Glow is all about. I hope you got my point clear, my dear friends. So going ahead, Eye Glow. Well, the first and the foremost thing when it comes to Eye Glow, everybody comes to know about this particular thing. What is beauty exactly? See, beauty is something which is not seen on your skin. Beauty is something which is beneath and beyond your skin. That is exactly called as beauty, my dear friends. So, beauty is not something which is seen on the skin, but whenever your internal organs like your gut and liver are healthy, automatically your beauty is also enhanced. That is exactly called as beauty, my dear friends. And how do you enhance that beauty? It is always by the use of internal nutrition supplements like Eye Glow. Definitely your beauty can be enhanced from outside. Well, your gut as well as the blood can be purified from inside, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, Nutri-Cosmetic, as I told you, addition of nutrition plus herbal extracts is equal to Nutri-Cosmetic. A simple formula that everyone needs to know about Nutri-Cosmetics. Addition of nutrition plus herbal extracts is equal to Nutri-Cosmetics. I hope you got my point clear. See, Nutri-Cosmetics are those products which are used on a day-to-day basis. On a day-to-day basis, especially when the people are suffering from dull and lifeless complexions, blemishes, dark spots, whiteheads, blackheads, acne or pimples, early formation of wrinkles, drying of the skin. This is very important so far as Eye Glow is concerned. I've told this many times, but I want to repeat this statement again. Suppose if your skin is moist, suppose if your skin is oily, it is always considered as healthy skin. Suppose whenever your skin becomes dry, automatically your skin will be prone to all kinds of skin diseases in future, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. That is the reason why always keeping the skin moist is very important. Not keeping the skin dry is always dangerous, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, for all these regular and routine skin problems, the most important solution is the consumption of Nutri-Cosmetics, and Eye Glow plays a very important role in fulfilling this particular segment of Indus Viva, my dear friends. I hope you got my point. So, as you all know that the most important ingredient which is present in Eye Glow is the presence of saffron. Saffron, as everybody knows, saffron is one of the major ingredients which is present in Eye Glow. One of the most costliest spice available in the world is saffron, my dear friends. And with pride, I want to tell you all this, that we are getting the best quality saffron from the Kashmir Valley of India, in which you have the best of the best qualities in that saffron in order to protect your skin against all kinds of skin infections and skin diseases, my dear friends. So, saffron is botanically identified as Crocus sativus, which is actually written on the back of the pack. Whenever you see the packaging of Eye Glow, you actually see this word Crocus sativus, which is written on the back of the pack, which is nothing but your saffron, my dear friends. So, saffron is actually the fragrant spice. It is one of the most expensive spice available on this planet, my dear friends. So, going ahead, saffron also, as you know that saffron is available in the textbooks of Ayurveda. It has been documented in the textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5,000 years. It is not a new ingredient to us. It has been mentioned in the textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5,000 years, my dear friends. And along with this, saffron is actually known for supporting your skin health, as well as it can reduce your acne or pimples, as well as the skin recovery and breakouts. This is what exactly saffron does, my dear friends. I hope you got my point. So, going ahead, not only the saffron, Eye Glow is a very important product which contains the benefits of other ingredients also. In these ingredients, the first and the foremost thing is natural plant collagen. Second is the grapeseed extract, which contains the resveratrol. The third is actually called as the kojic acid. This is a very important ingredient because kojic acid, as everybody probably you might not be knowing about this, kojic acid is not some kind of an acid. It is a natural substance which is available on this planet, which is responsible for your skin lightening benefit. I hope you got my point. And today I will be speaking about this kojic acid also for your benefit. So it also contains the licorice extract. It contains the natural lutein extract, which is extracted from the marigold flowers. Lutein is a very important ingredient for maintaining the hydration of the skin or moisture of the skin intact. It also has the goodness of natural CoQ10, which is nothing but the coenzyme Q10, which provides you the skin energy. This is very important. Your whole body can actually look good, but your skin might not have enough energy. That is the reason why, in order to increase the energy of the skin, it is always important to consume the eye glow, which produces energy in the skin. This is very important, so that your skin is always looking energized and beautiful. So, going ahead, my dear friends, as everybody knows, eye glow has very important benefits on the skin, especially the skin lightening, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, skin moisturizing, dark circle reduction, dark spot reduction, blemish control, radiant complexion, skin damage control, skin rejuvenation, and the most two important major functions are it detoxifies your liver. At the same point of time, it purifies your blood, by which all these activities put together, that is a reason why eye glow is actually called as a holistic skin care supplement. You can use this particular word in your field also. It is called as a holistic skin care supplement because it takes care of your skin health from head till the toe. Do not mistake, if I am showing my face, the skin not only on the face, the skin is there elsewhere in your body also. That is the main reason why you have to consume eye glow for your holistic skin health support, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, as I told you, I want to talk about this wonderful ingredient called as kojic acid for some time. Kojic acid is not some kind of your hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. It will not burn your skin. Don't worry about it. Kojic acid is a natural ingredient which effectively inhibits melanin formation in your skin, which means that if someone is having some kind of a pigmentation issue, kojic acid is a very important ingredient to lighten the skin. It lightens the skin tone, which means that suppose if your skin tone is dark, whenever you are using the kojic acid supplement like eye glow, it brings about lightening of the skin tone. I hope you got my point clear. Kojic acid is a wonderful ingredient for skin lightening. This is what everybody needs to know. So kojic acid is one of the ingredients which is used in eye glow, which not only causes skin lightening, it also removes the freckles and removes the scars. Again, I am trying to repeat this point. It removes the freckles on the skin, it removes the scars on the skin, thereby gives you a clear and glowing complexion. This is exactly called as kojic acid, my dear friends. So kojic acid is one thing which is actually used for skin lightening benefits. Kojic acid is actually derived from various types of fungi which is available in this planet. Fungi in the sense, it is not the fungus which is seen on your walls of your houses or on your clothes, suppose if it is raining outside. No. Fungus are some kind of plants only. From these natural plants, kojic acid is usually derived, and also from some of the algae. Algae, especially the algae which is floating on the sea waters. We call it as the sea plants or the marine algae. From such plants, kojic acid is actually derived, my dear friends, and such kojic acid is it is a wonderful skin lightening agent. It also removes the scars and the freckles out of your skin, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. And kojic acid is also one of the best ingredients for preventing your skin or protecting your skin from harmful UV rays of the sun, my dear friends. So which is nothing but the ultraviolet protection can also happen with the help of kojic acid. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, kojic acid, as I have told you, this particular corona zamana, as I call, has in fact, it has hit all the industries like anything, because most of the cosmetic industries have been hit by this corona zamana, and the kojic acid requirement these days have also increased a lot, because as I told you before, during this corona zamana, we are all using a lot of protective gears like the gloves, the masks, the sanitizers and so on. Well, these are the very important things that everybody needs to follow. The government is also emphasizing that we have to use the preventive or the protective gears whenever we are exposed to the outside world. This is a very important thing that everyone needs to follow. But at the same point of time, whenever you are using all these protective gears, is your skin protected is a major question. Skin health is also very important, my dear friends, because skin is the largest organ of the human body, which is covering from your head till the toe, my dear friends. That is the reason why, in order to protect your skin during this corona zamana, it is always important for every one of us to use this wonderful product eye glow, so that even when you are using the protective gears like the mask, the gloves, the PPE kits and so on, definitely your skin will be protected by using eye glow, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So as I told you, the kojic acid market has increased like anything up till 2026. If you see, the kojic acid market has improved like anything, my dear friends. So this is one thing that everybody needs to know. So apart from this, as I told you, there are many other ingredients in eye glow, which each and every ingredient I will be speaking in the next sessions to come. Each and every Facebook live on eye glow, I will be covering one of the ingredients of eye glow, so that these ingredients itself will help you to promote the product in a scientifically validated and a logical way, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, as you all know that eye glow is a wonderful product for all the skin types, and it is suitable for men, women and kids. For best results, it is always better to consume 1 to 2 sachets of eye glow 15 minutes after the food. It can be consumed safely for longer duration and is without worrying much about the side effects. It can be used as an adjuvant with other medications also, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. This is what the short concept of eye glow I had to speak today. So please have these promotional tips in your archive, so that whenever you want these tips, please play back this video so that you will get enough information on this wonderful ingredient kojic acid, as well as the skin health benefits of eye glow, my dear friends. As I previously told, if someone is not able to watch this particular Facebook live, please do host watch parties on the Facebook on this particular thing, as well as share this particular link on different social media platforms, my dear friends. As I've told you before also, this wonderful Facebook live is broadcasted every afternoon at 1:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time for all the Indian products, and on Friday 10 p.m. in the night for the United States product Ayurved, my dear friends. And one more important thing, I'll also be coming live on Indus Viva INC page of Facebook on Friday night at 10 p.m. So please, if you have not liked or subscribed to the INC page, Indus Viva INC Facebook page, please like and subscribe to the page, so that I will be coming live on Friday nights, so you can have the benefit and the information on this wonderful product Ayurved as well, my dear friends. So thanks very much for your patient watching, and this is the question answer time right now. So the first question that I am taking today, so I am taking the questions from the last week now. So the questions have been prepared by my colleague Mr. Akbar. So the last week's questions, if I have to tell you, it has been asked by Dr. Vanita. I want to answer Dr. Vanita's question now. Can we consume eye glow and eye slim together? Absolutely safe. I think in one of the KYPs or most of the KYPs, what we have done, we have proposed a concept called as the wellness basket. So wellness basket is actually a concept where each and every person can consume all our products in a day's time with some gaps in between, in order to protect himself from all kinds of dreadful diseases in future, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. You can definitely consume eye slim and eye glow together, but the time is very important. You should always consume eye glow 15 minutes to half an hour after you consume your breakfast and dinner, whereas eye slim has to be consumed in the night between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. after a light dinner by 6 p.m. I hope you got my point clear. This is how you have to consume both the products together. So the next question what she is asking is, what about the facial hair? See, one thing I want to tell you, especially the growth of facial hair in women, especially during the puberty or after the puberty, during their menstrual ages, is normally because of the increased estrogen count as well as the presence of polycystic ovarian disease, the PCOD. See, it is always important for you to consult your gynecologist if the facial hairs are growing too much, because the hormonal imbalance or the variation within the body will be much, and you need to tackle this thing medically, and supplements can only help you to clear the skin issues and not the hormonal issues, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. So let me take the questions of today now. So the first question that I am seeing here is, can we recommend eye glow for children? Absolutely yes. You can recommend eye glow for kids, especially above 3 years of age. Do not give eye glow below 3 years of age. It is always above 3 years of age, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is, so there is, okay, my daughter started using eye glow. She is using it for the last 1 week. She has small pimple-like spots all over the body, no itching. See, is it because of eye glow? Will it become normal again? So this is by Miss Manasa Upendra. Well, if you are listening to this or seeing this, I would like to tell you one thing. whenever you are consuming this particular supplement, whatever the supplement for that matter is, the first 15 days of the consumption of supplement, the detoxification process happens in your body usually. Whenever the detoxification process happens, usually the basal metabolic rate or the heat is increased inside the body, because of which for some days there might be some kind of irritations which are happening inside the body. And by the consumption of iGlow, there is no such, the testimonies or reports that we have got till date that it is causing some kind of pimples with itching and all. No, it does not cause that. Suppose if something happens during the first 15 days, it is always important for you to know that you have to consume a lot of water, like 3.5 to 4 liters of water in a day, in order to detoxify yourself, so that your body will not have enough heat, the increased BMR can be reduced, so automatically you will not have any kinds of irritation, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is iGlow helpful for unwanted facial hair growth? I think by Dr. Vanita, I have answered you this question if you are seeing this. So the next question is by Miss Tina Vijay, when to take iGlow? So I think I have already told about this, but for the benefit of all people, I want to reiterate this again. iGlow can be consumed in the morning and night. 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night. And one more question that most people are asking me here is, sir, can I consume mango in the morning and blackcurrant in the night? It is your wish and will. You can consume blackcurrant twice, you can consume mango twice, or you can consume orange in the morning and strawberry in the night. Anything is fine. There is nothing like that. As I have told you in the beginning, these products are called as assorted packaging, wherein there are 28 pouches. You have 4 different flavors. Only the flavors differ, but the activity and the ingredients or the formulation absolutely remains same, my dear friend. So you can consume 1 sachet in the morning, 15 minutes after your breakfast, and 1 sachet in the night, 15 minutes after your dinner, for best results. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is by Sampath Kumar, can iGlow control psoriasis? Well, another important issue that most people are concerned with, as I have told you, psoriasis is an autoimmune condition. Autoimmune diseases can be controllable, they are palliative in nature, they are not curable. So it all depends on your external environment, like the heat, the sun, rain, all these things are related with an autoimmune disease like psoriasis. You can give this product as a generalized health supplement only and not for curing psoriasis. I hope you got my point. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Pasha Mohammed. So he is asking a question, is permanent glowness, okay, is the glow permanent or temporary? Okay, let me modify this question a bit. Is the glow temporary or permanent? As I have told you, iGlow is classified as a nutri-cosmetic supplement which acts internally. iGlow normally detoxifies your liver. iGlow normally purifies your blood. So there is an internal process which is happening, because of which your skin glow or beauty, the skin issues are actually resolved because of this particular process, my dear friend. It is definitely a temporary, not a temporary problem. Skin issues are always recurring day by day. Your skin cannot be treated at once. Every season your skin is affected. Every other diet your skin is affected. So iGlow is a product which is acting internally. So definitely whenever your liver is detoxified, whenever your blood is purified, automatically the result which comes out is permanent. I hope you got my point clear. iGlow is a product which is acting internally and not externally, my dear friend. So coming to the next important question by Miss Aruna Jyoti. Can iGlow control white patches on the skin? As I have told you, iGlow contains ingredients like kojic acid, it contains ingredients like licorice, which are known for balancing the melanin contents. The contents of the melanin, or in other words, the pigmentation disorders. If I have to put it in a very local terminology, it is pigmentation disorders. It can be a very good generalized health supplement in different kinds of pigmentation disorders, where the vitiligo or the white patches is also one, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. You can suggest this in this condition. So the next question that I am seeing, the last question of the day that I am taking today is iGlow useful for a condition like ichthyosis? Which product will be helpful for this? Okay, I don't know who has asked this question. The name is not noted, but still I would like to answer this question. Whoever has asked this, please listen to this. Ichthyosis, in the sense, Ichthyosis in English or in Latinized terminology means scales of a fish. So your skin will appear like the scales of a fish. That is called as ichthyosis. That is a generalized skin condition which is normally prevalent in most of the people. They might not have monitored this actually, but the generalized health skin condition is actually seen in majority of the people, where the skin breakages are seen. The skin breakages are seen which resembles the scales of a fish. It is not a major issue, but still, whenever the dryness of the skin increases, the ichthyosis or the fishy scales also increases, my dear friends. That is the reason why please consume iGlow on a regular basis, so that your dryness of the skin is retarded. Automatically the moisturization or the oiliness or the water content in the skin will be enhanced, and all such conditions can be retarded. I hope you got my point clear. So thank you so much for posing all your wonderful queries. Again, I would like to promise you that suppose some of your questions are not answered, you can also post them on the messenger in our Facebook pages, so that our team can answer your questions on a regular basis. Suppose if your questions are not answered today, I will be able to take up your unanswered questions the next Thursday, which will be another iGlow day, my dear friends. So don't have to worry about that. So thank you so much, Vivites across India and the world watching this wonderful Facebook live series. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar signing off from the desk at Indus Viva Health Sciences Corporate Office at Bangalore. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.